Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can indent in your pages in the Plain project management application. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, we're inside that project here inside my Plain workspace, and I'm accessing this untitled page here from that project to the left, just for demonstration purposes. So what you will need to do, guys, let me just remove these entries first. You will need to enter or create a bulleted list. You may do that by selecting this option at the top, bulleted list, or alternately, if you like working with these commands, simply click into that text field here, not into that title, but into the text field, press enter, and press B to find the bulleted list as a suggested action or command. Click into it and enter your first bullet point. So let me name it bullet point 1. Sorry for the typo here. And if you'd like to indent, guys, press enter to get to the next bullet point. Give it some text, bullet point 2. But now, guys, what you want to do is left click into the beginning of that bullet point and press the tab key, on your keyboard here in the top left corner of your keyboard. And that is going to indent. And you can do that as well with the next line, bullet point 3. And again, click into its beginning and press tab again. And you can repeat that as often as you like, or as many bullet points as you like. There you go, guys. So that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.